This is the sewing machine I'm going to sew my custom guitar strap on, double and stitched. And I've done a practice run, same setup as what I'm going to be sewing, same thickness on top and the same lining leather. And I've got my stitches adjusted with the stitch length here to 5.5 stitches per inch. I hold my thread at first so it won't loop up on the bottom. Now I'm sewing right in the groove at about 5.5 stitches per inch. I'm sewing without a guide here, so I've got to put the needle down right in the groove right there. And when I come to the end, I need to make sure that the needle point ends up right where I want, and you can kind of work it a little bit to get it to go in where you want. I raise the pressure foot a little bit. Let the needle go down and catch the thread from the bottom, and right there's good enough. I can raise the pressure foot up and turn that. Take off slow and then get going. And then pull that almost all the way up, and then but leave the tip of the needle down in there. And then take off again. Make sure it's right in the center right there, and then trim that off flush. Okay. Now I'm going to overlap that about 3 stitches. And then I'll raise my needle up, pressure foot up, and pull my thread out. Got a little bit of fuzz right there, and I can trim that off. Make sure my loop's pulled in the center. There, like that. Trim the thread off flush. And that's how I sew the lining in my custom guitar straps. Thanks for watching. Appreciate a thumbs up. You're always welcome to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.